Hi friends, today we're going to crochet the little toes for this Bat Lovey pattern. I am going to link the pattern in the description box below so you can download that and crochet it in full. I'm going to just demonstrate the toes part in this video. What you'll do is first lay your body flat on your surface. I like to put the back side of the doll facing up because for the feet, you'll have sort of a wrong side and a right side, and I like the right side facing forward. So if you want to do the same as me, you can do it this way, though some people feel that the wrong side and right side both look equally good in the front. So up to you, but just a small preference thing. You can tell that the back side from the front side by seeing the seam that you created. It's pretty subtle, but it's the chain 3 and the join with a slip stitch to the first double crochet of each round. So for example, if I turn it to the front, you'll see that there is no seam at all. And here for the back, there's a subtle seam going down this way. All right, so with the back side up, you're gonna start off by attaching yarn to the very side of the doll's leg. And I'm using a different color for the toes here. The leg is going to have 6 stitches, and in this opening, you'll notice that we're going to want to close that up for the toes. I'm just hiding my yarn end here because I don't want that in the way. All right. So what you'll do is you're going to single crochet across these 6 stitches, going through the front and the back, and you'll seal these 6 stitches with 3 single crochets. Here's how it's done. After you attach the yarn to the side, make a chain to give you height for this row, excuse me. Insert your hook into the first single crochet and into the single crochet in the back, right across. We're going through both layers here as we're going to seam this leg up. So, pulling through for a single crochet. Now I'm going to insert my hook into the second stitch and go out through the back as well. Pull through and single crochet. And right now is a good time to kind of hide this starting yarn tail, so I'm just gonna pull it through here and hide it further within my doll. Okay. Now I'm going to do the last single crochet, inserting my hook through both front and back. Once I do that, I'll have closed up the hole at the top, or at the opening of the leg here. It's sealed with these 3 single crochets. Now what you're going to do to start the first toe is to turn your piece. We're going to put 1 toe above each of these single crochets. So you'll end up with 3 toes over these 3 single crochets. To start a toe, you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains. Insert your hook into the second chain from your hook. Pull through for a slip stitch. Insert your hook into the next chain from your, next chain that you made here. And pull through for a slip stitch. Then insert your hook right back into that first or that same single crochet and pull through for a slip stitch. what you have after you do that, those steps, is a single toe. Let's go ahead and do the second toe now. You're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3 chains. Insert your hook into the second chain from your hook. Pull through for a slip stitch. Insert your hook into the next chain next chain. Pull through for a slip stitch. Then insert your hook into that middle single crochet and pull through for a slip stitch. That completes the second toe. Now you're going to do the same for the very last last toe. Chain 3, slip stitch in the second chain from the hook, slip stitch into that next chain, and finally insert your hook into the last single crochet, and you're going to pull through with a slip stitch. When you finish, you're going to have 3 toes on your leg, like so. And as you finish here, you'll notice that as you turn your piece around, you are working on the front side. So this is what the toe will look like from the front. And here's what it looks like from the back. All right. And that's that for the little toes. You're going to repeat these instructions on the next leg, pulling yarn through from the side and single crocheting across, turning your piece, and making those 3 toes. When you finish your toes, all you're going to do is fasten off and weave in those ends. There we have it, a cute set of toes crocheted onto the lovey without any sewing needed.